Hey guys, it's Jasma, and today we're going to make a fried cod fillet and rice lunchbox. I'm going to make a couple of lunchbox ideas to make life a little bit easier throughout the year packing lunches. So first we're going to process the cod fillet. I have some fresh cod fillet that I slice into thick pieces. I've already cleaned it, and now it is very important that it is nice and dry before you process it and dip it into the dippings before you fry it. So I'm just going to press it with a piece of tissue paper. And to season, I'm going to sprinkle on some salt and pepper, then pat it into the cod fillet so that the flavors get absorbed. And now to coat the cod fillet, we also have some all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and some Panko breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to crack the eggs. First, coat the cod fillet in some all-purpose flour. Shake off any excess. You want a nice and thin layer here. Then into the eggs. And finally into the Panko breadcrumbs. Turn the heat up to high. Prepare a frying pan. I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of oil. To test if the oil is hot enough, throw in a loose breadcrumb, and if it starts to sizzle, that means it's ready. Place the cod fillet into the pan and allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until it's nice and golden brown. Be sure to check every once in a while to make sure it doesn't burn, and then flip it over and allow the other side to cook as well. Both sides are cooked through. Place the cod fillet onto a sheet of paper towel to soak up any extra oil. Get rid of the oil inside of the pan and wash it so it's nice and clean. Now we can move on to cooking the fried rice. Turn the heat to high and allow the pan to heat up, and then pour in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then, pour in the leftover eggs from before when we were processing the cod fillet so we do not waste anything. Stir it around until the eggs are nice and scrambled, and then add in the corn and peas. You can use fresh or frozen here. Continue to cook it for around a minute, and then we're going to add in the rice. Today we're using leftover rice, and if yours are refrigerated, be sure to microwave it so it becomes nice and soft again. And then add in the oyster sauce and pepper for seasoning. Break up any huge lumps by pressing it with the back side of the spatula. And finally, before this is done, add in some chopped green onions for extra flavoring. So now we're going to quickly make a dipping sauce for the cod fillet. I have some minced onions. This was about 1/4 of a white onion, really finely minced. And I'm also going to add in the finely minced cucumber. And use a mini cucumber because it doesn't have as many seeds. I'm also going to add in the mayo. Today I'm using half-fat mayo. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons. Also add in some lemon juice to thin it out, and also add in a little bit of a sour taste. Once the sauce is quite runny like this, it is ready. So that's it with this fried cod fillet and rice lunchbox idea. We have lots of different fruits, veggies, and cod fillet of course, and the dipping sauce has also lots of different flavors. I really hope this can inspire some other types of lunchbox ideas just for the school year. I hope you can try this out. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!